I have another product review today. Recently, I've been looking for products that make my life easier for obvious reasons. So we got a 7-in-1 air styler, and this is by the brand Cweixi. They give you a little preview on what you could expect to be inside. All right, let's unbox it. First thing I'm greeted with is this bright orange, gorgeous carrying case. Upon opening it, you're gonna get a quick crash course on how to use the Cweixi. And under that, there she is in all her beauty. Let's get everything else unwrapped. Just look at how beautifully organized she can be when she's all unpacked and unboxed. So beautiful. This will be particularly helpful for someone like me because I'm good at misplacing things and just being so disheveled and unorganized. So this would help me stay organized. This case will make the Cweixi very easy to travel with, or even if you wanted to give this away as a gift, it already comes in a lovely carrying case. No need to gift wrap. Okay, so this is everything laid out so you can get a clear depiction of what we got. All right, so we have here the attachments. We have 4 hair curling barrels, 2 30mm left and right, and 2 40mm left and right. I did not realize that these blow in different directions and they were just the same size. I feel so slow. But you can distinguish it by the direction in which the arrows are pointing. That's the way the air is gonna blow and the way your curl is gonna form. I'm just now realizing that. It's just now clicking for me. So that may have helped in the styling area, but more on that later. And the start of the show, the body of the Cweixi, more on that in a second. So next we have the hair volumizing brush, the smoothing brush, and then we have the pre-styling dryer. Here is the on and off switch, the power switch. Here is the temperature control. Then up here you have the speed control. There's also a latch on the back. This is how you release the accessories to change them. I'm gonna show you how to do that in a second. This is how the plug looks, just in case you were wondering. It has a reset button and it has 2 prongs in it. Okay, so to connect the accessories, place the accessory into the body and turn the accessory to the left until it locks firmly into place. And then to release it, you're just going to pull down the latch and turn the accessory to the right to release it. It's a little hard to do with nails. All right, so you turn it on. Light indicator shows that it comes on a low setting and a cool temperature. So you're gonna press that temperature to low, medium, and then high. The speed control, low, medium, and high. All right guys, so excited as I am to use this, I am a tad bit skeptical if this will work for my hair. As you see, my hair is a thicker texture and it's on the curly side. So first I'm just gonna go in with the regular blow dryer attachment. You wanna make sure that you're applying it right. So they send me the instructions. So this part is gonna be facing the buttons, and then the gold part is gonna be on the inside. Actually, let me section my hair first. I'm very low on product, especially for straight hair. So I'm really dependent on this Cweixi to do this thing. My hair is still like more on the saturated side. I want to get it to more damp. Blow dryer on high, but I'm gonna put the temperature on cool. So I'm just gonna turn it on. Given the sleek product design of the Cweixi, it's so easy to maneuver and dry my hair. And here I didn't want to dry my hair out completely. I love to also have such constant control of the temperature, so that helps prevent heat damage. So now I'm gonna put on this brush attachment. All right, so I know it takes quite a bit of heat to straighten my hair. So I'm gonna put this on hot, see how that does. And if I need it hotter, I'll go to high heat. I was able to achieve such smooth hair as you're about to see with this because the Cweixi utilizes negative ion technology, and that is a recipe for very smooth hair. My hair is not getting tangled at all. So far I'm actually really impressed. Just with a few passes, this definitely straightened my hair out pretty good. I can't say my hand is getting pretty hot. So I think I have like a glove from another heating tool, so I'm gonna see if I can find that. I found it. Since I found it, I'm gonna go ahead and switch it up to high heat. Okay, this thing is super hot, so I like to try to get like my roots and my edges. So I'm gonna go switch it to warm on that part. And it also may help if I actually turn the blow dryer down. So I turned it down to 1. Look at the comparison. Look at how much more length I'm able to achieve on this side. It's much straighter. Okay, so I'm gonna get the other side done and I'll be right back. So I was very skeptical, but so far I'm very impressed with the Cweixi. It efficiently moved through my hair. I was able to work through sections fairly quickly. It gets hot enough for my thick curly hair texture to be straightened out. This is definitely like the best blow dry I've been able to get in forever. So I could definitely see this replacing my traditional blow dryer. I'm able to blow dry and work through my hair and straighten it. As far as styling, I want to try a few more of the attachments to see if there's a style I can get it in, because I typically wouldn't wear my hair just like this. I probably would like silk it out more with the flat iron or get some curls going in it, but this can definitely save me some time with my hair routine. I am impressed. Okay, so I'm going to give you a quick look at the back. And that's important because the back of my hair is the thickest and it was able to brush through it like nothing. I'm gonna give this round brush a try. Okay, so after trying out, I think the results don't differ that much from the regular brush. I could definitely use them interchangeably. The round brush, the only slight difference is I can kind of get the flipped rounded ends at the end. It doesn't really do much for me as far as volume because as you see, I already naturally have a lot of volume in my hair. Alright, so I was really excited about the curling barrel attachments because this is just unlike anything that I ever used before. As you know, this is a blow dryer, so I have no idea how this is gonna work. So I think they said you grab the first few inches of your hair, and then okay. So you want to curl it on whatever heat setting that you were using, and then switch the temperature to cool the curl down and set it. Okay, Cweixi. That did a really good job. I'm shocked, flabbergasted. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this L'Oreal hairspray. The learning curve did get a bit frustrating. The problem that I was having at first was air, like the air would grab up like all the other curls I just curled. Another learning curve for me personally is I didn't realize that the barrels, the air kind of circulates in opposite directions, so you can get the curl in the direction you want it in. That affected me when I got to the other side of my hair. With a traditional curling iron, you have that clamp to kind of hold the hair in place, and it gives it more of a structured curl, and that's because it's like direct heat on the hair. This heat is kind of indirect, so it created a soft curl, which I'm not mad at, but it lasted no time in my hair. So even with adding the hairspray, by the time I got to like the middle of my head, the curls were kind of falling. If I use a traditional iron and I comb through my hair, the curl will still be there. So I can kind of like manipulate the curls a little bit and I still have a curl. If I did that with this, no more curls. And it says you are supposed to work in 3 to 4 inch sections, but even that would literally take me forever to do. But I did not even finish curling my hair. I just got so agitated. My back was hurting. Maybe it's just the pregnancy hormones, but I'm over it. Okay, so a few days later, I decided to give it another try with straight hair. I actually trimmed my hair, and I had advice directly from the makers of Cweixi. So this time, I'm gonna try not to like twist the Cweixi when I'm curling it. I just let it suction my hair at the bottom and then bring it up to my base, and the suction does a good job of curling it. I don't have to twist it or roll it to curl it. Also, once the Cweixi starts to suction the ends of my hair and I notice it doesn't catch everything, I kind of just pull it back down to grab all the other hairs, and then I just allow it to do its thing. As you can see, I got much better results this time around. I think it was a lot easier for me that given my hair is straighter and I'm doing a half up, half down, so I'm not so overwhelmed with like the amount of hair. Given that this is a new technique for me, this was like the most perfect curl I've gotten thus far, the bang. So yeah, I'm really impressed with the Cweixi. This is like a blow dryer that does it all. I highly recommend it to anyone that is looking to travel light. You just need that one device that you can do so many different things with, have so many different options. It's a great gift. This is definitely gonna replace the blow dryer that I have currently. You can do so much with this. Is there a learning curve? Yes. So only thing for me is that it definitely couldn't replace my flat iron. If I want to get that silky straight, I do need that. But for a blow dryer, I am thoroughly impressed. Highly recommend it. Let me know what you think. Would you purchase this? Would you try it? Would you give it to someone as a gift? Would you travel with it? But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Bye.